Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Most of the plants and trees that are in my garden as either planted by me or my family member. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plants every season, and most of the flowering plants are replaced every season as they due to climate change. After growing them, we plant these sapling of plant in a strategical order so that garden looks more covered. To conclude, we can say that gardening is a very good and productive habit. Also, it helps us person to establish a connection with the greenery and love towards nature. Besides, for most of the people, the best memories of childhood are attached to the garden. Garden is the place where families share their evening tea and discussion that keep their bond stronger. Above all, a garden is the most amazing place of the house, no matter what the season is. And the other hand, the gardening is a good habit. Everything the planting trees and plant is an easy task, and anyone with a draw lover and with a we can easily do it, but only gardeners and the people who do gardening knows the effort and energy that gardening needs. Besides, only water is not enough for plants. They also need manure. Also, they need daily care in order to keep them healthy and fresh. Moreover, most of the plants and green, which means they need proper sunlight. Many people hire professional gardeners for taking care of their garden, but doing it on our own is more pleasurable. Also, it helps us to connect with the garden. And my favorite plant is a night blooming jasmine, whose pleasant smell separate at night and make the whole house aromatic. In the other hand, the garden is the only place in the house which calms and give a pleasing feeling to the mind and body. Also, you can install a gazebo in the garden and enjoy your garden beauty while sitting on it. Beside, another benefit of the garden is that you can grow organic vegetables